In this lecture, we will discuss the 8-bit multiplication in 8051, and we will write an embedded C program. Here also the question not specified where the data are stored. So we'll assume that values are stored in external RAM memory location, which is start from 000H to FFFH. And we'll take some assumption that the two numbers, 8-bit numbers, are stored in 2000H and 2001H. The first number, and this is the second number. And after multiplication, if you perform two 8-bit multiplication, the result can be more than 8-bit. So there can be an overflow. We need to store the result in two locations. So if you multiply two 8-bit number, the result can be more than 8-bit. So in one location, we can store only 8-bit data. So we'll use two location, 2002 and 3. And in 2003, we'll store LSB, and 2002, we'll store the higher byte. Okay. And if you perform this operation by using assembly language program, we will use this standard instruction mul AB. But in embedded C, we'll write simply the multiplication simple. But in 8051, if you perform this operation, the operation can be performed by using this mul AB instruction. And one variable is loaded into A register and another variable is in B register. And after the multiplication, the LSB result is available in A register and MSB result in B register. Now we'll see the algorithm. The two values are stored in 2000 and 2001. So we need to read the content of 2000 and 2001 either by using an pointer concept. And after that, you need to perform the multiplication operation to content of 2000 into content of 2001. After performing this multiplication operation, you need to store the result. Okay, I think we need to correct it. Already mentioned that. Sorry. Okay, in after multiplication in 2002 and 2003. In 2002, we'll store the MSB and 2003 LSB. Okay. I think 2003 LSB and 2002 MSB. Here also 2002 the MSB of the result and 2003 LSB. Okay. We'll try this algorithm. We need to include an embedded C program with the hash include reg51.h as a header file. And after that, we need to write the main program. In within the main program, we need to access the external data memory. So we will use an xdata keyword, which is used for accessing the external data memory. And we are using an 8-bit value, so we can declare the variable as a character, unsigned character, because by using unsigned character, you can store value 0 to 255. And we'll declare a pointer variable num. And to store the data, we already identify that if you multiply two 8-bit value, the result will be more than 8-bit. So if you multiply two 8-bit numbers, the result will be more than 8-bit. So we cannot use this unsigned character type data type. We need to use another type, that is int. By using int, you can store 16-bit value, or you can say that 2-byte information. So we'll declare the result by using 2-byte data type, that is int. And we'll also indicate unsigned because we are using unsigned numbers here. And the result will store in 2002 and 2003. So we'll declare the starting address by 2002H. In embedded C program, we'll write 0x 2002 in place of 2002H. And the source or the numbers will represented by the num pointer, which is loaded with 2000H. That's the source address. and we need to perform the operation, the content of 2000, I can write like this, num star. Okay, so this is the first number, and we need to perform the multiplication operation. For that we are using again the symbol, so don't get confused with this. And again we need to access the content of 2001. So for that you can access num plus 1. Okay, so I need to access the content of num plus 1, that is 2001 content, and we need to perform multiplication. So this star symbol is actually multiplication, and this is a pointer operator. Okay, don't confuse the star symbol. And here also, after the operation, we need to store the result in uh, location 2002 and 2003. So we are declaring this as int. So the result will be stored in 2002 and 2003. Okay. After that, it goes to the infinite loop. Now we can see this, how we can execute this program or debug this program in compiler. So this is a write-C compiler. We'll see how we can perform the operation on write-C compiler. Already this program is successfully built. Now we can go to the execution part or debugging option. And here you can see the X data view that can, this is X data memory location, and we need 2000. We need to verify the data content in 2000. So already it is loaded with the FF and FF. So the two numbers are FF, FN. So this is a maximum possible 255 into 255. And if you perform this operation, and the result is stored from 2002 and 2003. And if you execute this particular program, and you can see that after the multiplication, the content is FE01. So F is the MSB and 01 is the LSB. This is a higher value, FF, FF. If you multiply FF with FF, the final result will be FE01. Now we'll verify with a smaller one. Assume that we are loading with the 2 and 4. And if you perform this operation, after the addition, you can see 08. Okay, MSB is 0 and LSB is 08. It's a smaller value. Similarly, you can verify different values. And if you check the assembly code, assembly area, you can see the instructions. Here you can see the instruction mul AB. I already mentioned that in order to perform the multiplication operation, the embedded assembly language program uses the instruction mul AB. Even if you write this num into something, it's automatically converted into mul instruction. After this operation, there must be result, and LSB result you can expect in accumulator, that's ECC in 08. The main register, can B register contains 00. That value will be copied into 2002 and 3. Okay, after the multiplication operation, the result will be available in accumulator and B register. You can see this result. Okay. It's all about a multiplication operation, 8-bit multiplication.